Today, we are taking a delightful journey through Canada's must-visit restaurants. From Mon Lapin's upscale Quebecois dishes in Montreal to the authentic Filipino flavors at Islas in Toronto, we're exploring a mix of culinary gems. Ever wondered if a sourdough chicken or a crispy scallop toasty could redefine your dining experience? Can a prawn dish or a homemade tagliatelle challenge the way you think about food? Stay tuned as we uncover some of Canada's most unique and flavorful culinary secrets. Serving up smiles one dish at a time, Food is Thy Mood is now live. Hello, Moody Foodies! Come along as we dive into a world where quality, creativity, and warmth blend to create unforgettable dining experiences, just like a family gathering. Let's get started. Kicking off at number 1, Mon Lapin. Mon Lapin, situated in Montreal's Little Italy, tops Canada's culinary scene. This upscale Quebecois bistro, known for its quality and homely feel, offers a mixed bag of experiences. Highlights include the comforting sourdough chicken, the innovative crispy scallop toasty, and the stewed tomatoes, which echo familiar flavors. However, some dishes like the overly salty tartare might not hit the mark. Prices are reasonable for food but expect higher costs for cocktails. Can Mon Lapin's vibrant atmosphere and unique dishes make it your next favorite dining spot in Montreal? The restaurant's atmosphere is youthful and lively, with attentive and friendly service. It's a place that reflects Montreal's dynamic dining scene, offering an authentic local experience. While not every dish is a standout, Mon Lapin's commitment to quality and creativity makes it a worthwhile visit. Would you like to go somewhere that knows how to balance its vibrant atmosphere with the intimacy of fine dining? Then look no further than Beba. Just as Mon Lapin is a culinary beacon in Little Italy, Beba shines in Verdun. In just a few years, this family-run gem has soared to the top of Canada's dining scene. Beba blends the charm of a casual bistro with the sophistication of fine dining. The atmosphere buzzes with energy, and the staff, from bartenders to sommelier, create a warm, welcoming environment. The cuisine is a revelation, combining meticulous attention to detail with inventive flavors. While the lively setting is part of its allure, it can get noisy, so a quieter table might be preferable for some. Beba's acclaim means securing a reservation can be tough, but it's well worth the effort for an unforgettable dining experience. Leaving Beba's vibrant scene, we discover Published on Main, crowned as Canada's premier restaurant. Does Published on Main live up to its reputation, meeting or even exceeding Michelin-starred standards? Led by executive chef Gus-Stefan Hofer-Branson, it's renowned for its commitment to quality and innovation, particularly during challenging times. The restaurant offers a casual yet elegant setting with a digital menu that displays an array of visually stunning dishes. The celebrated prawn dish, among other signature items, showcases Chef Gus's skill in merging traditional and modern culinary techniques. While some dishes are exceptional, others offer more subtle delights. This unique dining experience solidifies Published on Main as a key destination for exceptional culinary adventures in Canada. What is it that sets our next restaurant apart in balancing traditional and contemporary flavors? Following our visit to Published on Main, we turn to Spice Rack, known for its reliable quality and warm ambience. This spot is celebrated for consistently delivering delectable food and excellent service. Its friendly atmosphere welcomes everyone, making it a popular choice. Guests often find the wait for seating worth it, thanks to dishes like the scallop appetizers, goldfish curry, and the specially seasoned chicken rack, complemented by garlic naan. The complimentary desserts such as halva add a special touch. Additionally, Spice Rack's adaptability is commendable, offering traditional menus for those who prefer them over digital options. This blend of quality dining and hospitality makes Spice Rack a go-to destination for those who appreciate a mix of classic and innovative culinary delights. Located at the bustling intersection of Parliament and Carleton, Maya's is a gem in Toronto's Thai food scene. How does Maya's manage to cater seamlessly to both small and large groups, enhancing its appeal? Known for its well-balanced flavors, the restaurant offers a range of dishes, such as calamari salad and tom yum noodle with roast pork, famous for their generous portions. While prices are slightly above average, the quality and quantity of the food justify the cost. The environment is welcoming, with views of the city's activity, and the service is swift, supported by a digital menu. Praised for its variety and high-quality offerings, including crispy crab fried rice and veggie spring rolls, Maya's is an essential stop for those seeking authentic Thai cuisine in Toronto. Thai cuisine is excellent, but where would one go to find an excellent blend of extensive whiskey and beer selections with locally sourced Canadian menu to create a unique dining experience? Allen's, a beloved Toronto established since 1987, is known for its informal yet professional atmosphere and impressive selection of over 300 whiskeys and 140 beers. With a strong commitment to local ingredients, the menu features Canadian favorites like the Dublin lamb shank and Tamworth pork rib chop, both praised for their flavor and generous portions. Customers love the warm, cozy ambience, especially the charming tree-covered patio for seasonal outdoor dining. Regulars highlight Allen's consistent quality, attentive service, and reasonable prices. Whether it's a casual visit or a special occasion, Allen's offers a welcoming atmosphere with a focus on culinary simplicity and ingredient quality. This Toronto institution is a must-visit for those seeking an authentic, enjoyable dining experience. Oretta stands out in Toronto's King West with its chic, retro-modern vibe and sophisticated Italian fare. Chef Christian Fontolan leads a kitchen that artfully blends refined and rustic dishes. The interior, with its palatial space and 60s to 70s inspired decor, creates a unique dining atmosphere. But what are the standout dishes that define Oretta's culinary identity? Highlights include the burrata beet salad and house-made tagliatelle with a hearty pork and beef ragu. The invented sboza pizza and romantic cocktails like the pasatite add to the allure. Guests praise the attentive service, especially for families, and the beautifully presented desserts, like the fresh pineapple and cannoli. Oretta's blend of elegant dining, inviting ambience, and quality Italian cuisine makes it a sought-after destination in Toronto's bustling culinary scene. Now, how does Islas in Parkdale introduce a distinct Filipino flair to Toronto's culinary mosaic? From the Italian elegance of Oretta, we journey to Islas in Parkdale, Toronto, where the flavors of the Philippines' 7,641 islands come alive. Islas offers an authentic Filipino dining experience, perfect for both intimate gatherings and larger events. With seating for up to 40 guests and standing space for 50 to 70, it's an ideal venue for various celebrations. The restaurant's tasting menu, Budeli 2, is a culinary highlight, featuring an array of dishes like chicken inasal, tofu and mushroom sisig, lechon, and the sweet dessert halo-halo. Guests rave about the generous portions and the warm, inviting atmosphere created by proprietors Marielle and Mark. Though the restaurant can get busy and some dishes may vary in temperature, the overall experience is highly recommended for its delicious variety and accommodating service. The cozy ambience and possibility of large group dining make Islas a go-to spot for those craving a taste of the Philippines in Toronto. If you enjoy the Canada Food Guide Restaurant Edition, check out our Canada Food Guide about iconic Canada dishes and treats that are a must-try while visiting. In this culinary journey, we've explored some of Canada's most exceptional dining destinations, each offering its unique flavor and ambience. What's your favorite Canadian restaurant or cuisine that you think everyone should try? Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more gastronomic adventures. Thanks for joining us and stay hungry, Moody Foodies, because there's always more to taste and explore.